Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to remove text in Canva mobile. Now, if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. First of all, let's open a design first. Now, if you want to remove any one of these texts, just click on it like this. And here you can see this option, delete. Click on it and it will be deleted. Now, if you want to delete all the text at once, just click on one text. Click on these three dots and here you can see select multiple. Just click on it. Now select all the text you want to remove. Okay, once again. Now just click on delete. That's how you can remove all the text at once. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.